All right, starting off with 135, then coming in with 30, and then we are 44. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are starting off with 135, 30, and then coming in with 44. So we are starting off with some bright, fun colors for summer or spring. I'm just ready for some brightness. I'm ready for some light. So I drew a line. I left this in because you'll see what I'm doing, even though it's blurry. I drew a line of yellow, white, and then pink. So I am taking Smelt It from Ugly Duckling and applying this all over my built up nail. So I have already have my base on. So if you're doing this as just a gel polish overlay, you can, or if you have built up nails like I do, you can do that as well. So there's no right way or wrong way to apply this. So I'm just going to scoop it up and drag it across. And I love it. I just love it so much. And I kind of move it a little bit towards the back here to kind of, there's a little bit of a glob, and if you have a glob, it could wrinkle. So just keep that in mind. Try not to get huge globs. So then I'm just going to repeat these steps with the Smelt It. And I'm sorry my camera goes in and out of focus every once in a while because I've apparently left autofocus on. So yeah, coming down and just randomly applying it. That's the beauty of doing this type of look, is that you can just randomly place things and then it kind of branches out and smooths out. It's just, I just really liked this look. And I did end up wearing those leopard nails and this, since we are, you know, in our current situation. I don't know if we will be when this video is live, but it is when I am recording and doing the voiceover that we can't go outside. So yeah, I was able to wear these two together and no big deal, because filming tutorials is like primary right now for me while we are in our current situation before I have to physically go back to work. And then, you know, I have a 4-month-old, which is crazy to think about already. So yeah, just applying this all over the nail. And then we are going to fully cure. So I'm flash curing in between each of these. I'm not quite sure if I had said that. So I'm going in flash curing and then applying the next color. So you don't apply the Smelt It over everyone, you apply it each time. So I will let you finish this and I'll catch you back. We are going to cleanse the nail here, and I remembered to cleanse the nail this time before we're going to come in with some Stick It. So yeah, cleanse that nail, scrub it nice and good, grab your Stick It using that stripy brush, and we are going to apply that randomly. There was no rhyme or reason, I just randomly applied it. And then we're going to apply some foil after we give this bad boy a cure, and then the top coat, and that's it. How easy is this tutorial? So easy. All right, so I'm going to leave you here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.